Hi, I'm Brittany, and we're on my tour, and right now it's like 4 o'clock in the morning, and I just got done doing one of my videos. I'm just gonna let you guys see like my family. Like, I'm so excited because this is my second day of my tour, and like I'm continuing to be in the center of a ring, just like a circus at Olive Garden. Okay, so here's my family. This is my circle of friends.
Do you like this new dance move, Brittany?
Shut up. Okay, so this is my manager, Keegan. Yeah, she really likes squid. And this is my yeah, show them. This is my backup dancer, Hannah.
It's like a pole dance.
Yeah, like pole with your tongue. Yeah. Learn from the best. Okay, and this is our midget.
Hey, I think it's blue now, you guys.
That's Kayla, my backup dancer. Yes, yes. More. Give me more. Thank you. I inspire her. And this is Rachel. This is my other backup dancer. Where's your specialty? Oh, okay. Feel it. Feel the move.
Brittany.
Hold on, you gotta let me out.
Brittany.
You gotta let me.
Brittany. Some of these people don't want to be in the video.
Thank you. Hold on, I have to go videotape the one who's inspired it all. This woman right here inspires me to be the Britney Spears that I am today. She is the best skank on earth. Kathy Platisha Renee X Beach. Are you gonna be in my next video?
This is my husband. You guys should have husband.
Oh, and this is Beach. You're not slutty enough. Give me a slutty move.
I just asked for something.
And that was a gay guy. Hey, Brett. Hey, Brett. Hey, Brett, come back. Come back. No. You have to be on my video. You're on my video. Come back. You're on Britney Spears' tour video.
Oh my God, Britney Spears!
Yeah. Yeah. Are you excited that you're one of my backup dancers? Are you excited?
I'm so excited
Yeah, we've had
to
so
be
much
a part of Britney Spears' new tour.
Yeah.
If I wasn't walking right now, I would just bust out a little Britney move. But
Can you just do it for me just real quick?
I don't
Yeah.
know what to do.
Sexy Britney move. Ready, set, go. Do it. Brett, you know, Brett, this is not cute.
But I'm walking.
Oh, Brett. Okay. Well, this is where we end our tour because Brett's being gay. Okay.
Go figure.
Bye.